I've got Adam the Chili King Connell with me today, and I've got my grandson Ash. And Ash is going to try something for us that he's not had before, so good luck to you, son. Now, what we're going to try this afternoon, Adam, myself, and my wife Nikki are looking at opening a small chili company soon. Hopefully November, we're looking at.
Yep.
And what we're trying today is some of the products we plan to sell. I've had good reports on everything, but Adam actually hasn't tried these two things that Nikki's made. So what we're going to try, homemade Chilli Turkish Delight, and what we think we're going to call lava crackles. They're just
So
chocolate.
These are the chocolate crackles that were in the Australian comp.
Yes.
Sawtell.
These have a bite, a genuine bite. But when we do sell them, they'll be on 3 levels of heat. So there should be something to suit everyone. Now, Adam and I are going to try them because they're a bit hotter. But what Ash is going to try is some of our homemade chili pickle. Now, this one is the Zabranj chili. So it's not overly hot. It's quite sweet, but it is also by far the hottest thing Ash has tried so far. So if he disappears, he's going to get himself a drink, which I don't blame him for. But they look quite nice. I'm really pleased with them.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll get Ash out a bit of chili. Find you a little bit. Yeah.
And also, one of the other things that we are going to do a review of today is Steve Brooker made some pizza for the chili comp. So me and Jason are going to go halves in a slice.
Yeah, which scares me because I know what Steve put in these.
I had one slice at Sawtell along with Steve and Mark, and I can tell you they are hot.
Hot, yeah.
They are hot.
So that's a bit of pickle. And you can actually still see in there the stripes on that pod. They're an orange pod with a red stripe through it, and you can just see it there. But that's Ash's piece. You happy to do that big?
Yeah.
Yep. Adam and I.
We're going to do the Turkish Delight.
This is a different taste to shop bought. It has edible gold flake on it, just for appearance. And we'll work out how we're going to package it a bit later on. But cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Homemade Turkish Delight and Zabranj chili pickle. Let's go. Adam's not tried this yet.
Nope.
There you go.
Tastes like a chili.
So what do you think, mate?
That is so nice.
It is.
That is nice. A nice balance of flavour and heat.
Did you find that as you're chewing it, you got very little heat?
Yeah,
But
I
now-
found more heat. The heat builds when you swallow.
Yeah, it instantly comes on.
Yep.
Again, they'll be in 3 levels of heat. We'll have the mild, mid, and hot. But that one we did make at a fairly high level, so that's got a genuine burn at the end
That's
of
got
it,
a
hasn't it?
genuine bite.
Which any chili head would love because I feel, mate, Nikki's got the sweet heat balance perfect.
That sweet heat balance is perfect. It's not stupidly hot, but it's not like dull in flavour.
No, you lose no flavour.
No, you lose no flavour. That is perfect.
Yeah, I think she's
That is
excelled.
perfect.
I really think she's excelled. How did you go with your pickle?
Light work, no reaction.
You look like you've handled it really well, but genuine heat or
Wasn't that bad.
wasn't that bad? What do you think of the flavour of the pickle itself?
Sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. You enjoyed? Yeah, that's good because Ash isn't much of a pickle eater. So that's another good remark about the product we're making. Now, did you want to try a bit of this one, like tiny little bit?
Another one of those.
Yeah, you can. Well, Ash is going in for seconds with the chili, so A, he's told us it's not a bad flavour, but B, he's going to eat another bit of chili.
I'm spilling it everywhere.
Now, Adam and I are going to go on to these. Now, I think these are special. I really do. I love these chocolate crackles.
Yeah.
I've got to almost suck mine, mate, because I've got no bottom teeth to chew the bastard. So this could take a second. But, all right, so on with the chocolate crackles.
Yep.
Cheers, bud.
Cheers.
Cheers, Asho. Here we go. You can't beat a chocolate crackle,
Oh
can you?
no.
Yeah. Again, there's no heat at all while you're eating that.
No.
You don't get any, and as soon as you swallow it, it goes up in heat dramatically.
As soon as you swallow, yeah, that sting starts to build.
Yep. What was in them? There was scorpion powder, Trinidad scorpion powder, and taipan venom tincture. So they were always going to have some bite.
Yeah.
The ones that were sent to the Australian Chili Championship actually had more than that in it.
Yep.
There we put additives into
Call
that.
the coroner.
Call the coroner.
Call the coroner,
The new tincture that I've made. But guys, look, as I said, Adam and I and Nikki, hoping to open this business. And I thank Ash for coming along today and having to go with us, because that was a bit intimidating. It was a fair step up in heat for him. He's done extremely well. Handled it well, bud. But they're three of the products we hope to be selling. And when it all happens, I hope you buy them and try them.
Yep.
But anyway, thanks for that. We're going to come back soon and do another one.
Yep.
And this one's going to hurt. So, look, thanks for watching, everyone. And the three of us will catch us all again soon. Bye.